A strategically placed tree, such as this one, has the potential to reduce energy demands of this home by $900 a year. It can intercept thousands of gallons of stormwater runoff, and it can sequester hundreds of pounds of atmospheric carbon in a year. Good morning. My name is Jessica Bensley, and I would like to thank our faculty advisor, Professor Tjossem, for her guidance, my team for their invaluable research, and on behalf of them, I would like to present our findings for our client, Arbor Foundation, and their program, Energy Saving Trees. Our topic today, reducing residential energy demands through trees. On today's agenda, we will explore the problem that Energy Saving Trees attempts to address. We'll look at the current status, and we'll conclude with our recommended actions for implementation. This image shows energy consumption in the United States by sector from 1990 to 2009. And whilst the industrial sector shows a decline in energy use, the residential shows an upward trend in consumption. A total of 38% of the country's energy needs are consumed by this sector, 60% of which goes towards cooling and heating of homes. The Energy Saving Trees program aims to reduce some of these energy demands in the residential sector. Arbor Foundation is the largest non-for-profit tree conservation and education program in America. Their mission statement is to inspire people to plant, nurture, and celebrate trees. In 2011, they rolled out the Energy Saving Tree pilot program in Arizona, the goal to reduce residential energy consumption through strategically planting trees around homes. Our brief was to identify how energy-saving trees can be supported on a national level and implemented state by state with reliable and consistent funding. So how do energy-saving trees work? The concept is to reduce heat and cooling loads through strategic placement. During the summer months, the trees help cool a house, and they can reduce energy by up to 30%. In the winter, the trees provide a natural windbreak, reducing heating loads. Planting of trees is a long-term energy reduction strategy. There's a one-time investment cost and rising savings over time. So what are some of the challenges to adopt this program? Currently, 70% of households in America are served by investor-owned utilities. This means that utilities are driven by profits and share performance. Energy reduction may not necessarily be a priority. Many states, however, do have ambitious energy reduction goals. Decoupling is one of the tools that can be used to encourage utilities to adopt energy efficiency. Decoupling is a mechanism that separates power providers' revenue sales from their profits. This is done through the public utility commissions, governing bodies that regulate the rates and services of utility companies on behalf of the consumer. On a federal level, Congresswoman Matsui introduced the Energy Conservation Through Trees Act in 2011. The act passed the House, but not the Senate. Had it gone through, it would have authorized the Secretary of Energy to provide financial grants to retail power providers and assist with residential tree planting programs. Last week, Friday, on April 26, Congresswoman Matsui reintroduced the act on Arbor Day. In our scope of research, we analysed utility companies across all states. We conducted interviews with the public utility commissions, other energy-saving programs, and arborists. In our research, we identified some challenges to the program. Energy saving from trees increases as the tree matures. This can take up to 5, 10, and 15 years, and therefore the program needs to be adopted as a long-term initiative. Measuring the benefits of a tree is a challenge because of the multitude of variables, such as vegetative cover, tree type, proximity to other trees and buildings, and the building insulation itself. There are also other energy efficiency programs being incentivized, such as tax credits for home weatherization improvements, Energy Star appliances, and solar panel installations. Energy Saving Trees needs to show cost savings against these programs. We also found that in order to reduce tree mortality rates and ensure their long-term survival, stewardship and community involvement needs to be developed. Having said all of that, there are also considerable benefits to the program. With the correct placements, trees can reduce energy costs. They also provide valuable ecosystem services such as stormwater runoff and carbon sequestration. Studies have also shown that trees increase the value of a property, as well as provide social and health benefits, such as a reduction in noise pollution and a general well-being. Planting trees can also benefit low-income households that may be unable to afford the initial investment of solar panels. Utility companies can gain PR benefits associated with improving the environment, and tree planting as an energy reduction strategy uses natural solutions to mitigate our present-day energy crisis. So our recommendations to Arbor Day Foundation are as follows. On a state level, to focus on states with energy reduction goals, high electricity rates, and a move towards decoupling. At the community level, Arbor Day Foundation can maximize economies of scale by partnering with local tree organizations and to gain from their local expertise, distribution network, and follow-up. Internally, Arbor Day Foundation needs to develop metrics to accurately measure the savings. Aggregating the full benefit of ecosystem services will assist the public and utility providers to make informed decisions. Our research involved using a weighted ranking metric with over 30 indicators to deduce priority states for program implementation. The indicators included the utilities policy, decoupling, price per kilowatt hour, ownership, and extreme temperatures, to name a few. Under these indicators, Maryland came out as a priority target state. The basic process for program approval is for the utility to submit an application to Maryland Public Service Commission, stating their intention to adopt Energy Saving Trees as an efficiency program. The application needs to show kilowatt-hour savings calculated through a total resource cost calculator. If the application is successful, the Public Service Commission has the authority to disperse the residential energy surcharge that every household already pays on their utility bill. So in conclusion, we all know what gets measured gets managed. The metrics for this program need to be developed in order to show its full benefits. Trees can provide economic savings as well as a valuable range of ecosystem services, social and health benefits. And planting a tree today is a low-cost, long-term, natural solution for energy reduction for the future. Thank you.